Learning a skill is one thing. Knowing how to get clients is a different ballgame altogether. I mean, I've had people reach out to me asking me, so I just finished learning this skill. What do I do next? Hi, my name is Chidima Ofebu and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing 3 things you need to do immediately you learn a new skill. And don't waste time because time is money. The first one is start a project, or better still, give yourself a project. When I started out as a content writer, I did not spend so much time learning and taking courses or reading books. I mean, immediately I had sufficient knowledge for what I wanted to do. I started putting in the work. I started volunteering. I started reaching out to people, offering my services, because you haven't really learned a thing if you haven't practiced it. Second would be to build your personal brand. A lot of people that know me know that I talk a lot about LinkedIn because that platform has changed my life, right? So LinkedIn is one of the best social media platforms you can build a professional brand, because there are 2 people on LinkedIn. 1, job seekers. 2, employers, right? So being on that platform is just the best if you are looking for a job. So building your personal brand is not hard. Building your personal brand is simply just building a name for yourself, telling people what you do and showing them, not just telling them what you do. You know, there's a difference between show and tell, right? So showing people what you do. So in case you don't know how to get started with building a personal brand, so I'll just give you a few tips. Number 1, understand why you're on the platform. Why you're there. Do you want to get clients? Do you want to get students? Understand the reason you're on the platform. Number 2, understand the people you want to reach on the platform. Who are these people that you want to reach? What matters to them? What kind of content do they want to see? And number 3, you need to start creating content tailored to what they're interested in, what they would like to see. So if you want to get a job, obviously your clients are going to be interested in testimonials. They're going to be interested in seeing your work. If you say you are a designer and there is no design, if you say you're a writer and you're not really like teaching anything, or showing that you have done this for your clients and you yielded this result, you're really not, building a strong personal brand. And another thing you need to know about personal branding is that consistency is very important. You can't show up today and ghost the next month, right? You must be consistent. And consistency is not a daily stuff. It can be once a week or twice a week. Last but not the least is to start reaching out to brands. And this part of the journey, of the process, might seem a bit daunting because it involves you reaching out to a whole lot of brands. That is, if you want to increase your chances of success. So what I usually do is I create a spreadsheet. In that spreadsheet, I'm going to include a list of companies I would love to work with. It's better you work with larger numbers, so let's say 100 companies, and also links to the profiles of people in the hiring department. So I'm talking HR, I'm talking head of departments, and LinkedIn is just the best tool to help you find these things. And I also use Prospeo, to get the emails of people that work in these companies. But the process now is a lot more easier is using LinkedIn to search for people in the hiring department. So when you do this, you start crafting a pitch and you start reaching out to these brands. If you know you have a question based off on anything I have shared in this video, please let me know.